my friends, we have seen the last three lectures that we have seen the geometrical construction, how to construct. In that we have seen the lines, the line bisection, triangle, angle bisection, and then afterwards we have seen the how to draw a in circle in a triangle and outer circle in a triangle. Then we move ahead with the triangle or properties of drawing a construction of a triangle of obtuse angle triangle, acute angle triangle, and right angle triangle. So three triangles we have to see. In that I am giving you homework also, and you have done the homework also. But today's my lecture is specially for the geometrical construction for an triangle. When you go for a triangle, what is a triangle? I am drawing this rough diagram. This is a point A, B, C. This is side A. This B, C. This is angle theta. This is angle theta 1, and this is angle theta 2. Property of first important thing that a triangle having the three sides. What is the having the three sides? A, B, and C. So here three sides. What is it? Three sides. Then it is having the three corners. What is that? The three corners. Three corners. Then after that, what are they doing? Three angles. What is they having? They are having the three angles. And the another important thing is that addition of this means theta plus theta 1 plus theta 2 equal to 180 degree. So my friends, for the construction of a triangle, we require the either three sides or the three corners or three angles in this my information. But my friends, you have to construct the triangle where that they are giving the two sides. What is that? Means that they are given in the A B two sides. What they are given, I'm mentioning here especially my friends. Have you seen this one? Two sides. What is that? Two sides. What they are given? Two sides. It means that A is equal to 8 centimeter and B is equal to 6 centimeter, and angle this, and giving the angle theta equal to 60 degree. How does this also for when they are given the three things now? This is 1, 2, and 3. We have to draw the first rough diagram. So here, my friends, I am drawing the rough diagram. Here, my friends. Otherwise, this is also okay, but here I am specially for you making a new one. So here angle is 60. This one 60. BC is equal to 8 centimeter and AB is equal to 6 centimeter. So my friends, I construct a line with the help of my scale. I draw here. I draw here 8. So this is the point. Angle equal to angle when I draw calculate angle. This thing when I use a protractor, the point come here. I don't have protector, that's why I'm taking it approximately. So here these two are joined. So angle is equal to 60. How much angle? This one is the point B, this is the point C, and angle is equal to 60 degree. Then one thing is important. Then we have that AB is equal to how much? 6. So take a protector with the help of scale. You have to place in this point and cut this line. Have you seen the cutting? Have you seen cutting, my child?
Yes.
Okay. And then you draw these two lines. Join these two lines. This is my A, B, C. This is my A, B, C. So this is my 8 centimeter. This is my 6 centimeter. Angle 60. And in this way, you have to construct a triangle when they are given in the two sides and one angle. And we are move ahead, my friends. We are move ahead. That in second thing, when they are given in the one side, and two angles. So suppose they are giving this is angle theta 60. So here, my friends, I am drawing the first A. A is what is that? What is that? A. Where is that? A is in B. Where is that? A is in B. BC is A. So here first you draw the 8 centimeter line. I am drawing this is a 8 centimeter line. What is that? 8 centimeter line. When I place the rotator here, I got a point 60 for this, and when you place the rotator here, I got a point. I got the same point. Why? This is I will tell you in a short while. So this point you have to join this point, and you have to join these 2 points. When you join these 2 points, listen my friends, this is my A, this is my B, and this is my C. When this angle is equal to 60, they are given in. This angle C is also 60, they are given in. Then phi is, then remaining angle is equal to how much, my student? With that theta 1, theta 2, 120. So the remaining angle is equal to a 60, and this all the sides, when I'm measuring all the sides, they are also same. So this triangle made this triangle we call as the isosceles triangle, because it's having the same angle and the same side. So these 2 ways you have to construct a triangle. Okay my friends, then we move ahead in a construction of triangle, that in activity. What is that? Activity based learning is a very good learning. Then when you make an activity now, then you learn exactly, means learn your range of scope of understanding the mathematics increases or whatever increases. So that my friend, the activity number 1 is with my rectangle. With my rectangle. Listen my friends, here I draw a rectangle. I'm drawing a rectangle here. It means that this side A is equal to this, B is equal to this. This is a property, means a property of rectangle is opposite sides are equal. When these 2 opposite points, listen here, listen, I show you something my friends. When these opposite sides are joined, how it look like? Look like as a circle. How it look like as a circle. Or when they cut upper portion and lower portion, it becomes a cylinder. So from this is the cylinder. How it look like? This is a cylinder. So this is a point. This point comes here. This point comes here. So this is, you have to make a cylinder. So from a rectangle you can make a cylinder. From a rectangle you can make a cylinder. There are the various properties. From rectangle you make a cylinder. And the first, when you join, how do you make? The first you have to make a cylinder. Then actually the first making is a circle. How do you make circle? Because this is join. How you join? So circle, I draw a circle. In a cylinder, when I cut up positive position, down position, we got a 2 circles. Suppose my friends, here suppose you are in the your class is low. That's why I am not going in a deep for this. If your class is in 10th or more than that, then I go for this cylinder. So okay, we come out with the circle. This is center. This is the point R. This is the distance between the center and outer part of the circle is radius. The distance between the length which is passing the center with cutting the outer part of the circle is called as diameter, and the length which is short than the diameter is called as a chord. So here we make a 2 activities. Then we move ahead. The last one, second activity is that how from a square you have to make a rectangle. For that, here I am taking a square. Then I am taking the another square. You just join. So 2 square, from a 2 square I am making a rectangle. From a 2 square I am making the rectangle. It means that this side is equal to this side is equal to this side. This side is equal to this side. Understood? So here we have to construct. If you are in a higher class, then also I am making you show you that how is this up and down, how many points, how many sides, so these are the same. Look like an ice cube. Look like an ice cube, no? This one is the same. Look like an ice cube. Oh my friends, so this is general information for you that. And my friends, so here we have to done the 3 activities. Here we have to done 3 activities. So today's our topic of a geometric construction is woven. Our topic like a geometric construction is woven, but you have to so my friends or my students, you have to do the thing is that you have to done your all the homework exercise should be completely. If you have any problem on that sum, only the number of that sum only means, for example, part question number 1, and in that sub segment B you don't understand, you don't know how to do it, then just WhatsApp me that question number 1 and the sub question B. But I require your whole exercise of a geometry construction should be completed. If you don't know, you just ask ask on my on our group ID. On our group ID, sir, I don't understand this thing, and you just told me this thing. When you are in my next video, I solve your difficulties and doubt. So, but the most priority is that my priority is that we have to go for the second topic, that multiplication and division. In that case we are meeting in the next topic, but in that topic but before that topic I have to complete it I have to complete the geometric construction that is in your mind also, it opens, and all the things are should be done. So first you have to do the exercise this one, and from tomorrow we will start the multiplication and division. It's my so here I am in my lecture, but friends, you have to do your work hard. Okay.